Hey everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1. Today we're going to look at a couple of sister style options, one with bangs and one without bangs. So if you wanted to switch it up, these would be nice sister styles to consider. Coming up. The beauty of sister styles, it gives you the ability to change up your style slightly and still keep the general look. It looks very natural, the transition from one style to the next. It looks like you went to the salon and came out with a slightly different style. And there's no better way to do that than to look within the same brand and color. So these two styles today are from the same brand and they're the same color. One has bangs and one does not. What you're looking at here is the Jon Renau's Kristen in Palm Springs Blonde, FS17 101 S18. It has a beautiful 8.5 inch front layer here. It nicely frames the face. It's a straight above the shoulder bob style. It's got a little bit of modern texture to it. And I can see this just being an everyday style for someone. It has a lace front, but then is open top, sides, and back. So there's a lot of permatease on Kristen. I've parted it here just a little bit left of center, and I've worked on it a little bit to train the part to lay exactly where I want it. But this is just a no fuss kind of a style. It looks great every single time. I can see it being an office wig. So maybe you wear Kristen every single day. You have a color that you really, really love, but you just want to do something different. Even those with true natural hair that don't wear wigs always look to change up their style slightly now and again, and you can achieve that with wigs as well. So let me introduce to you a sister style to Kristen, and this little lady has bangs. So here's the sister style. This is Emilia by Jon Renau, and Emilia again is a nice bob with some layering, a modern touch on a classic bob style, and then it has bangs. So instead of the 8 to 8.5 inch piece on Kristen, you've got about a 4.5 inch straight across bang. Wouldn't that be nice to have, just to interchange with Kristen now and again to give you a little bit of a different look? So right away, to most people, they're just going to look at you and say, wow, you got bangs. I like them. In reality, you changed your wig, but it's the same color. It's the same kind of a bob style. So there's no reason why you could not interchange these without being too aggressive with your change, if that is your thing. Now me, I don't care. I'll wear different colors, different styles. But for a lot of people, especially in a setting where they might have to meet with clients and so forth, it is important for them to keep some continuity in their style. And so I think that you could do this very easily. Maybe explore bangs without it being obvious that you changed your style. So what I'll do now is a side-by-side look at both Kristen by Jon Renau and Emilia by Jon Renau, both in the color Palm Springs Blonde. We'll see you next time.